Hello guys, so welcome to Algebra 1. Today we'll be learning the area method and this is the video for your homework. In this lesson we have 3 boxes and an extension which is at the end of the lesson, so make sure to pay attention to the lesson. So in number 1, I will teach you how to read area tiles. You might be asking, what are area tiles? So area tiles are just an area inside a box. And for the first one, we could see, which is this one, that's a 1 by 1. So this means that, let me shade it in. This makes the area 1, since we know that the area of a box is length times width, so we could see that 1 times 1 is 1. For the second one, it's a 1 by x, so when I shade it in, it represents the area x, since 1 times x is x. And then for the third one, we have an x by x area, which if we see, how I mentioned, the area of a box is length times width, so this gives us x squared. So the area for this one is x squared, and this one, the area is x, and the area for this one is 1. And this is important because we will be learning how to multiply binomials doing this method. So make sure you got familiar with these. So this is box number 2, and this is an example that I'm gonna do. And here we're gonna use algebra tiles to multiply x plus 2 times x plus 1. So the first thing we have to do is draw x plus 2. In the first page, we saw that an x box is represented like this. And then a 1 is represented like this, or let me do it smaller, like this. And since we have 2, we have to draw 2. And then we saw that for x plus 1, we have another x box, and then we have a 1. So right here, this one is x, this one is 1, this is an x box, this is a 1 box, and this is a 1 box. So for the inside, we have to multiply. So we see that an x box and an x box gives us x squared, as we saw in the previous page. And then we see that x times 1 gives us an x box, and then an x times 1 gives us another x box, and then 1 times x gives us another x box, and then 1 times 1 gives us a 1 box, and 1 times 1 gives us a 1 box. So when we add these up, we could see that we got an x squared, and we got 3 x boxes, so that is 3x, and we got 2 1 boxes, so that's plus 2. And this is our answer when we multiply by a binomial using the area method. So this is box 3, and I want you guys to try the exact same method I just did in the previous example. And so go ahead and try it. So let's see if you got this. So this is an x, this is 1, 1, 1 to make 3, and this is 1 and 1 to make 2. So we could see that from an x by x box, we get x squared. An x times 1, we get an x box, and then x times 1, we get another x box, and then x times 1, we get another x box, and then x times 1, we get another x box, and then x times 1, we get another x box, and then we see that 1 times 1 is 1, 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 and 1 times 1 is 1. So after combining them, our answer, we get x squared. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So plus 5x's, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1. So that's plus 6. So this is our answer. And we could see our tiles. So this is a great method to multiply binomials. So this is the last one, and this is going to be our extension. I want you to think about this one. How can we use algebra tiles to perform the following? The following is x minus 2 times x plus 3. What do you think is the difference here? How do you think this would impact our method? I want you to think about it, and tomorrow we will discuss it. So see you tomorrow.